Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with Trade Theory on Bitcoin for Tuesday, May 24th, 2022. This is the monthly chart, and prices clearly moved below let me go back a little bit in history. So previously I spoke about how price was continually trending upward, and then we had a fall away from the highest point for Bitcoin. This has been several months ago, and then when price broke below this level, which is about the 34,441.25 level, when it broke and closed below that level, that's officially a downtrend for the month. Now it has not price has not closed below that level yet, because we have about 7 more days before the month is up. But if I was to take a bet on the likelihood of it happening, I definitely would be betting on that it being more likely that price will be closing below the 34,400 level rather than not. So moving with that presumption, price on the weekly chart is already for the last several weeks moved and closed lower than a previous inflection point, which is important regarding trend. And so price is continuing to move down here. Now it started to slow down, as you can see. The bars are starting to kind of almost like they're breaking and kind of hitting a wall right here. So what I presume is that price is actually going to pull back and capture orders to the high side for maybe a day or so. Matter of fact, as I look at the daily chart, prices dropped down here and then it's kind of settled out. In most cases, it's going to pull back and reset. So maybe at the 37,485 level, 37,485.20 to be exact, price will go back in, and it could come back higher, but I really doubt that it's going to go significantly higher. Definitely not higher than 40,000 in my mind. It shouldn't stay there, but definitely could see a pullback on the daily charts in the next days, maybe for the rest of the week. And then a continuation lower. So if it moves lower, price continues to move lower, no matter if it pulls back and moves lower or if it goes lower straight away. My expectation is that the first price point we would hit is about the 26,967.60 area, which is right here, and then a move lower to 21,125.23, and then there's no reason that we couldn't break away down to 7,794.78. So 7,794.78. For price actually settles out and decides what it wants to do in the long term. So now this is a weekly chart, so obviously we're talking probably into next year before we see any of that, but just wanted to let you know that price is definitely poised to continue lower for Bitcoin. So if you're an enthusiast, definitely get you a friend who is more of a technocrat as opposed to one just who is socially connected to Bitcoin. So to learn how to use information like this, this is the time and this is an environment in which you need a cash flow vehicle that is not heavily reliant on people, employees, whether that's supply chains, overhead, interest rates. Everything is out of your control. Even the cost of doing business has really risen. So you need something that actually can use the inflationary measures, can use the economic environment and actually produce positive results for you no matter what that environment is. And that's what we're doing with the cash flow system. So if you want to do that for yourself, that's fine. We have an option for that. But most people are too busy to do it. And so we have the DFY where we'll actually build cash flow on your behalf. But nevertheless, check us out at fmtrades.com and see which one fits you. And if it's not you, tell a friend who might benefit from knowing what we do. So until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.